I'm going to try to make this quick and try to make a couple points that I didn't do on the video or didn't do a terribly good job. So here it is. When we start, we're going to try to factor out this minus 4. Why do we try to ask them to get the minus 4 out? Because I want x squared to be alone. Because when I complete the square, I just need x minus h, not like 2x minus h or anything else. It's got to be just x squared. And therefore, I need to take anything that's beside it. So I need to take the minus 4 out, and I can take it from 24, but I can also look, minus 4 goes into 12. Still, I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to do it. This is going to be something that we do in the first two terms, and this one always stays outside. In person, I'll tell you exactly why people make a mistake when they do it. So even though it's correct to factor out the minus 4, it does not help us for what we're trying to do. So let's go on to the actual steps. Okay, so I'm going to factor out the minus 4. X squared. 24 divided by minus 4 is 6. So that's minus 6. And I leave room, and I get the plus 12. Now 6, that's minus 6 really. We're going to divide it into 2 because we want to go top and bottom. So that's 3, and 3 squared is 9. Plus 9 minus 9. I will always put the plus in first because when I'm trying to factor this as a perfect square, I need the last term to be a positive. So the negative number is always the one that's going to come outside later on, okay? So let me rewind. And I'm going to put minus 9. I'm going to say, okay, here we got everything so far. These three guys can be factored. I go through the tree, the factoring tree, and I say, are there two terms? No. Are there three terms? Yes. The first term of perfect squares? Yes. Is the last term of perfect square? Yeah, that's a 3. Multiply them together. That's 3x, and 3x gives me 6x. So that therefore this is a perfect square. This is x minus 3 squared. What's the rest of the stuff? We got the minus 4. Now the minus 9 needs to come outside. And the number in front is the minus 4. So therefore I'm going to multiply it by minus 4. Minus 9 times minus 4 gives us plus 36. And there comes the plus 12 from the very beginning. We're just going to put those two guys together. And that is minus 4 x minus 3 squared plus 48. That could be the answer if they said complete the square. But if they say find the vertex, and I'm going to say find the vertex, then say, oh, therefore the vertex is positive 3 and 48. And if I say, is this a maximum or a minimum, which I'm likely going to do, then all you check for is the number in front, like the a value, right? The a value means that this thing is it's negative, so it opens down, which means that the vertex is right at the top. Therefore, this is a maximum.